In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb on your Chevy Colorado. It's located inside your headlight. I'm looking straight down past the fuse box on the driver's side, next to the fan shroud, and there's a little space where we can reach in and get that bulb. So I'm going to reach in, I'm going to twist this out. I'm going to go towards the left and pull it out. Once you get it pulled out, we're going to pick this up so we can pull out the bulb. You might need a flathead screwdriver. We're going to replace our bulb. I'm going to reach down. Make sure you have gloves on when doing this. You don't want to touch the bulb with oily hands. Snap it in. Line up the tabs with the housing. And then turn it and lock it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.